Silver isn't just a precious metal. It is powering industries that touch nearly every part of modern life. Understanding that demand can reveal its potential as a long-term investment. Most people think of silver as coins or jewelry, but it's also essential in technology, healthcare, and green energy, from circuit boards to solar panels and medical instruments. This industrial demand matters for investors because it creates a steady baseline of silver usage. Even if market speculation slows, manufacturers still need silver to operate. That ongoing demand can help support its price and growth potential over time. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that silver's industrial role gives it a unique edge. It's not only a store of wealth, but also a resource tied directly to real-world economic activity. This combination makes silver a versatile addition to a retirement portfolio, especially for investors looking to benefit from long-term trends in technology and industry. This is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Gold and Silver IRA and Silver Scheme Report, all designed to help you make more informed decisions about your savings. I've linked this one in the description. If you want to see how silver's industrial demand could influence your investment strategy, download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. It's free, easy to follow, and full of insights to help you make confident choices. You can find the link in the description.